All right, this, I'm not going to show you the rest of the room because it's basically a junk pile, but this is going to be our future nursery for our first baby, who's a boy. And I decided to paint a mountain mural on this wall. I wanted like some kind of accent wall, and I kind of got really worked up trying to figure out what to do, whether I should do like decals or painting something seemed so permanent, but then I realized like it's not. Painting something is just, you just paint over it if you don't like it or if you don't want it later or whatever. I've always thought murals were really beautiful and like could totally change the feeling of a room, and we love the mountains, as you may have seen from other videos and on our channel. So I'm making this ombre mountain mural out of all of these colors of blue that were all in the pile at Home Depot. So they're colors other people had mixed up and didn't want. So I kind of lucked out that I found those all for so cheap, and they're really, really good brand of paint. So nesting mode is no joke, first of all. Oh, I'm pretty pregnant right now, 8 months along. And in addition to nesting being no joke, I feel like even though some people might think like, well, what's the big deal? It's like, why do you have to go all out on a nursery? It's not whatever, you know. In reality, what I want is to know what the baby will look like and know what my experience with motherhood will look like. But right now, all I can actually try to see in real life is what the nursery will look like. And so my interest in designing this space is more about like having a little glimpse into what is coming, because I'm more excited to see him, see his face and whatnot, and see what it will be like to be with him in here. But for now, we're going to cover the wall with a mountain mural. All right, I am pronouncing this thing finished. So I'm really happy overall with how it turned out. Happy painting if you try something like this at your house. I didn't know how much fun I would have with it. I honestly now kind of want to just find other walls to do murals on. And 5 weeks till baby boy is here. Maybe sooner.